Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Carpediashow. Got two big news coming out of from Tesla. Basically, someone tweeted Elon Musk asking about a refresh. There's been rumors about the Model S and Model X getting a refresh, and about 2-3 months ago, the Model S, they got the more efficient front drive unit from the Model 3, software change, increased the range a bit on the vehicle. And when he tweeted him, basically Elon Musk said there are no plans to revise the Model S or Model X. So he basically put that rumor to rest, and he just stated about the more efficient drive unit. The other very interesting piece of news that's going on with Tesla is an employee recently stated about a production increase. It's kept on the wraps. It's something that was talked about in upper management, and with the production increase, what they're trying to do is they're currently building just over 1,000 Model 3s a week, and they're trying to increase that to 7,000 vehicles per week at the Fremont California plant. So right now they're doing things to the factory to increase production, and this is the Fremont California plant, so it's going to go from 1,000 to 7,000. And on top of that, the China plant is going to go ahead and be online beginning of next year, and they're expected to build 3,000. So it's going to be 10,000 vehicles per week. Now my question for you is, the Model S and Model X are a much more profitable vehicle, and the sales have gone down the vehicle. You can get into a Model 3. It's a little bit smaller, of course, but it's a newer vehicle. It's more efficient. It charges faster. It has a few things that the other vehicles don't have. And that basically, the more profitable vehicles, you're kind of not keeping up to date. So tell me what you guys think about that. Do you think it's a wise decision for him to be investing all his time and energy and money into the Model 3? I mean, it is a cheaper vehicle. And with that cheaper vehicle, it does give the ability for more people to buy into, the Tesla brand, electric vehicles and all that. But as far as the bottom line for Tesla, do you think it's a wise decision? It's basically like, Ford with the F-150, kind of not keeping it up to date, or Porsche with the 911 not keeping it up to date like they should. So tell me what you guys think about that below. Do you think it's a wise decision for them to kind of put the Model S and Model X on the back burner and not keep them up to date? And furthermore, do you think that it's a good idea for them to increase production so much in just one specific model? Does it say anything about production increase for any other models? Like I said, the sales have gone down. So I'd like to hear what you guys think below about the production increase. They're basically going to make 10 times as many Model 3s they're currently making right now, which is actually incredible when you think about it. And like I said, I guess the sales for the Model S and Model X are going to continue to go down. So like I said, tell me what you guys think below in the comments. I'd like to hear y'all. I'd like to discuss about that. And I appreciate y'all checking in today. Y'all have a good afternoon and a good evening. And I'll speak with y'all tomorrow, okay?